Hello, I am Neeta Sharma from Brain League Learning. Today we will learn how to differentiate inverse trigonometric functions and why the formulas look the way they do. First, remember what an inverse function means. If sine of theta equals x, then arcsine of x equals theta. This is doing math backwards. Here are the common derivative formulas. We will highlight the signs to help you remember them. Now let's derive the arcsine formula using implicit differentiation. Let y equal arcsine of x. So sine of y equals x. Differentiate both sides with respect to x. Then solve for dy dx. To replace cosine of y, we use a right triangle. Since sine of y is x over 1, the opposite side is x, and the hypotenuse is 1. The adjacent side is the square root of 1 minus x squared. So cosine of y equals the square root of 1 minus x squared. So the final derivative is 1 over the square root of 1 minus x squared. Now, let's use the chain rule. Differentiate arctangent of 5x. The outside function gives 1 over 1 plus u squared, and the inside derivative is 5. Quick summary. Use implicit differentiation for the base formulas. Then apply the chain rule when the input is more than just x.